Hello world, it's Cryo here, and today I'm going to be showing you a great plugin called Lift. With the recent update and the increase in the world height to 256, it's a hell of a long way to walk up and down steps, to climb ladders. If you've got a building which goes from bedrock to sky, oh my god, this plugin is for you. You need it. Yes, it's great. Like I said, I'll show you a quick demo of how to do it. I'll also show you our lifts, a couple of lifts we've got here, how cool they are and how well they work. There is a few lift plugins. One just called Lift is the one we use. Very nice indeed, works well with 1.2.5, and yeah, it's great. Anyway, let's get round to it. I'll just scroll through. You can use colour on the names of the floors, which is nice. It's very smooth, and it even kind of emulates a lift the way it stops and bounces, which is great. Right, anyway, let's show you how smooth it is on the way down. Oh, and here we go. Oh, loads of chests. Yes, quite trippy, quite mad. Absolutely awesome plugin. Makes things so much easier, so much quicker, so much faster, and is really cool at the same time. So here we go, all the way down to the bedrock, and there we have it. Right, let's go back up again. You can select whichever floor you want. You just right click on the sign. It's that simple, and select top again, and there you can see how smooth it is on the way back up again. Very good plugin indeed. You have got a few things to be careful with the plugin. It does have a few little minor quirks, mainly caused by mobs or your own pets. They're probably actually the bigger cause, to be honest. Yes, cats and dogs really get on your tits. Yeah, they glitch the lift out like mad if you're not careful, so make sure they're not anywhere around. They're not going to warp to you. They're sat down, they're doing as they're told. Otherwise, just kill them. I know that's cruel. You don't want to kill your poor little animals, but when it breaks your lift, believe me, you'll be wanting to do it afterwards. Right, so I'll just show you another lift. That one, as you probably noticed if you did pay any attention, had 16 iron blocks on the very base of the floor. Iron blocks are very important. They must go on the very bottom. Oh, blimey. There we go. They must go on the very bottom of the lift, and they register as the base floor to your lift. Every other floor you want glass of the same amount of you do have iron blocks on the base. Right, this is our clan base, and here we have the lift. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 iron blocks. Reason that these are there. Another little quirk with this plugin is if you're slightly off to the side, you'll hit this and you'll just keep doing this, bouncing, bouncing, bouncing. You might be able to just move slightly. Sometimes it lets you, and the lift will go up. A lot of times you probably have to leave, and it usually ends up with your lift being crashed until the next server restart, which can be, it's just frustrating, to be honest. You don't want to have to do it just for a lift, but let's face it, it makes a lot of difference when you're maybe transporting all your goods from a bedrock to your chests. It's just a nightmare. But yeah, anyway, here we have our different clans, and you select whichever one you want to go to, hit the button, and oops, away you go. There goes a chicken. As you can see, you've got the edges here. Like I said, if you're not in the middle, then it is very dangerous. I won't demo it because I don't really want to have to restart the server or break the lift until it's restarted. So just try and position yourself, select which floor you want, and yeah, that was in colour now. What you will notice is you can destroy these signs. It doesn't make any difference. If you change one, it will update itself. Don't need to write anything. There we go, buff. And right, let's go show you how to make one quickly. Let's go into creative for this. I'll just show you out here. Like I said, the very first thing you need is a base. We'll use iron blocks. Iron blocks as the base. You have to use iron blocks. We'll make this one 4, shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4, poof, there we go. Right, we also want a little place for the sign and the button, and I suppose we could really do with somewhere else to put another floor. Right, so we want buttons and we want signs. So get your button and your sign, and you also want some glass blocks. Iron is for the base, as I say again, and every other floor you will want to put glass. So start with the second sign. Don't have to have it, but if you do have it, then oops, I didn't even write on it. You want to put whatever you want on here. This line won't show, this line will, this won't, and this won't. You can obviously fill whatever you want on there, and the line with this will is what will be displayed on the other floors. You can use colour codes as well, and it's just great. Yep, so anyway, here we go, second floor, and then we want a button. If we're going to name this, we'll go to the second one. Let's just go blue. So we've got the blue floor, and another thing up top. Right, so you've got the sign for naming on the first block, with the second line is what will show on the lift sign. You've got your button, and then this is the sign you must have. Don't have to write anything on it. The plugin takes care of everything. It's great. So we've got the 2 floors, so we're ready to test the lift. So if we hit that, there you'll go, and we'll see that this will display from the second line. Hit the button and boof, down we go. Now we hit this one and boof, there you go, it fills it all in and tells us that we've got a blue floor. No, we haven't got any more, so we're on the current floor 1, destination 2, blue. Oh, look at that. Now how easy was that? How simple is that? Just a quick recap. Iron blocks for the base, glass for every other floor. You've got to have the top sign, you've got to have your button. You don't have to have the bottom sign, but obviously you won't get the name underneath of what you have called your floor, which is great. You want it, you know you do, you want it in colour, just do it. Right, that's KrYo signing off, showing you the lift plugin. Link will be in the description. Hope you've enjoyed it and find it easy to make your own lift. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.